Hello there, viewers. I'm here again with my
Asawa,
yes,
her
Asa.
beloved and devoted, I say devoted husband to my beautiful, ravishing wife, Evina.
And the time is
Man, I don't have my watch on there.
yes, it's like I think here
It's like 1 something in the afternoon, local time here.
2:30
Is
in
that
the
late?
afternoon.
Is that late?
No, it's
Oh my,
2:30 in the afternoon.
that's late.
So,
We're getting ready for tomorrow. We're going to spend 2 days of bonding.
and pupunta kami ng laundry shop. Magpapa-laundry kami.
We got to do our clothes here because
Yes.
we got to get some stuff ready. The beauty got to get her beautiful.
Tinatamad pa kami
Clothes
kanina
ready.
kasi sobrang init.
So,
So,
thumbs up.
ngayon, higa-higa muna kami. And then, we're heading to
Well, I gotta get her nails done.
the laundry shop.
Her nails, I'm gonna take her to the manicurist at the wet market.
There's a manicurist in the wet market.
Yeah, why you know the one you go to under C5 or this?
The manicurist of fish.
Is that the one you go to on the one in?
Yes.
Because we're getting ready and I want to, and tomorrow's gonna be, we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna enjoy a nice, cool studio apartment. I guess.
Yes.
And she's gonna try on her new, beautiful,
Pasalubong, the
Yeah.
Phantasma.
and she's gonna put some pit pictures on here so you know what we're talking about. Your
The?
little pit pictures.
Yes.
So you know what we're talking about, like Phantasm. What's that? You
The
find out.
pasalubong, their viewers.
Yeah.
Last video about the Phantasma, the pasalubong. You will know what we are
Discussing here, yeah.
discussing.
Yeah,
Yes.
but she looks good. I'm glad I got this.
Nosebleed ako sa English.
I got that
Pasensya na.
for my beauty though when I was working in the States.
Yes.
Because I said, these would look really good on her. This will. And she wears these beautiful short skirts.
And thank you for that Phantasma.
Yeah, I'm glad I
sign.
got them. And noisy too.
Yes.
Real noisy.
So,
Very noisy. She likes high heels, the beauty does. Don't you, Hud?
yes.
She loves them. And she's very fashionable, as you can see how very pretty my wife is.
Punta kami ng laundry shop.
Yeah.
So,
hit that like button.
hit that like button.
Now, do it. Hud, you look so beautiful.
Dito na kami sa laundry shop.
Hello. You're watching the most beautiful woman at the laundry
So,
shop today. Evening.
how many washers did you get?
Just 2.
2?
Yeah. Getting our laundry done.
Yes.
Because tomorrow we're heading to the famous, what's that called, Hub?
Amaya Sky.
That's it, yeah. In Manda, Luzon City.
So, for the 2 washers, how much?
It was like
It's like-
330.
Yes, the self-service is 150.
Yeah.
And 30 pesos is for the soap.
Yeah,
liquid soap.
Yeah, liquid. Notice it's liquid, not powder, right?
Yes. Yes. 5 and 6.
There it is.
Yeah.
With the water though.
There's a one.
Somewhere. I think the drums right now, huh? Yes, we get it.
Every other day, we should like hand wash our clothes.
Yeah, I think so. That makes a lot of laundry, don't I?
Yes.
Huh?
Because
Remember how I used to wear the same shirt like for like 2 weeks in a row?
yes.
And you said,
That's
huh?
not
You still got that shirt on? Remember that? You were shocked.
yes, that's not good for the
It's not good.
Hygiene.
Yeah, but remember I told you though, and you were like absolutely shocked.
Yes.
That was when I was in action. But I even showed you this shirt. Remember that, huh? So look how light I look compared to you. You see that? Wow. Like a ghost. And my beauty's brown.
That's for drying. Kay namin galing sa laundry. Are you okay, Han? Are you
Oh
fine?
yeah, yeah. And I was sitting next to the most beautiful model, like my wife. That is, you know,
Nakakapagod.
the beautiful
Ayun yung
Evie.
pinalaundry namin.
And how beautiful are you? Huh?
Okay, thank you, and don't forget to,
Like and subscribe
yes, like
to
and
my
subscribe.
model's channel. My
Eve
wife.
Mina, the Eve Mina channel. Bye-bye.